Good morning. So today is the day that we head up to the North Shore to the area of Lovina Beach. So we're just trying to get everything packed up before we head out. Then we will head north and then hopefully get at least one temple and one waterfall on the way. It's gonna be a long day. It's a 2-hour drive up north, according to Google Maps. This is our driving champ.
Sure.
Time to go on our next adventure. Let's go down the street.
For what's along the way.
There was like a whole bunch of them, and
Yeah,
there were a bunch.
Lots of stuff to see.
So sweaty already. All right, here we go. Beautiful. We're headed to the Taman Beji Griya waterfall. That was the most perfect pronunciation that anyone could ever pronounce.
I didn't even know you spoke Balinese.
I do.
Really?
Yeah, you know, lesser known fact about me. It's pretty cool. Oh, there's a sign. I have been bagged and tagged for the waterfall. You guys are fucked.
Tiny did
I'm the only one who gets to see this waterfall today.
well, and you get to see all the rice paddies.
Purification, palm reading, healing therapy, hypnotherapy, past life therapy. Open aura with chakras, activation, tarot, life story. Interesting. Okay. What did we expect when we first got in here?
So it had what looked like maybe like a gift shop or something, kind of like you would do something in the States where you would go to maybe a national park or something and then stop over and get like the information, things like that, maybe talk to a guide, ask questions, but you would walk out independently and look at the waterfall and come back. That's not at all what it was.
No, so we got stopped and they gave us a menu of, you know, choose something, otherwise you're
like
not
a
coming
salon,
in.
Like
yeah,
a, like a,
like
you
a
would
spa.
do, yeah, like a spa treatment.
Yep. So we went with the purification because she said that that's the popular one, and we kind of hemmed and hawed for a second and decided, well, we're already down here, so we went for it, and that was so cool. We learned about how to give offerings, all the different gods, and what to do to thank each of them and pray. And then we hiked back into like this canyon with waterfalls in it and did water purifications. And then we did scream therapy. And then we got to do happy dancing in the happy waterfall. And it was awesome. It was really cool. I'm glad we did that.
Immersive. Just you're definitely feeling the vibe and the energy, and it's supposed to cleanse your energy, and so it's just very, very wonderful.
Oh, thank you. If you end up over at the, I don't even know what waterfall this was, the Taman Beji Griya waterfall, and of course I'm butchering that. There we go. That makes things better.
It may not show up, but I tried.
Yeah, we tried. But if you end up over here, definitely do the water purification. That was extraordinary.
And we didn't even know what the other options were to even see maybe a better package, but this by itself,
Really cool.
stellar.
Really cool. What did you think, Roy? One thumbs up from the robot. I'm just dripping.
Yeah, yeah. Also bring your swimsuit. You don't need to because you can wear your bra, you can take it off, you can leave your underwear on, take it off. I went full nudie underneath.
They give you a sarong. You're not just running around nudie.
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, they give you a sarong to cover up anyway, and then like Roy wore it around his waist, and then we wore it like a really pretty dress.
Yep.
And they show you how to do it so that it stays closed.
But be careful in the waterfall because I had a tit fall out.
And I had
I
a
hope
little
it's
bit of.
I hope it's on camera. God, I hope it's on camera. Where's my phone? So, now we're gonna enjoy our drink and then
Get back on the road, I guess.
yeah, go to the next whatever.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah.
We were just gonna go to a waterfall. This was way better.
Yeah, this is great.
Oh,
really cool squirrel.
Gosh.
If I had something for you, I would totally give it to you, bud.
Cute.
Eva, here.
Oh my gosh. gosh, what cute babies. Will you come home with us?
Oh yeah.
Will you come home with us, please?
Hi, bud. Little feet and.
What cute babies. I want cool squirrels. Ours are ugly.
I know.
Wow, you are spooky looking.
I know.
I like owls, and they're beautiful. But I'm all about this bat.
That was delicious.
Oh man, you're so cute. Hello.
Just
This is the private area. You cannot go there. This is the healing.
Oh, how cool.
They're so cute. Okay, now I'm. This is the one that loved me. Ah!
Uh-oh.
Help! Help!
Ah! Uh-oh. 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 Whoop. Oh. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. Let go. Let go, buddy. You're stuck. Uh-oh. There we go.
well, which makes sense. That's how they hold on.
Oh God, he loves this camera. Loves it. He yearns for the for fame.
Picture with our guide.
Well, I love a good happenstance.
I'm glad we came when we did accidentally. There are so many people here now. And now we're off to the ancient banyan tree, which is what, Jenny?
One of the oldest in Bali.
Yes. Oh no. Maybe. I love random shops. I'm eating a steamed banana thing. Pretty good. It's like a tamale.
Okay.
Where?
Jenny,
Why are they so much crunchier?
There's a tattoo studio right there.
Peanuts here are amazing. They're so good. They have to do something to them. They're all like warty and weird.
No, you just got a wordy peanut.
My peanut has warts. Weird.
What a neat tree. Ooh, how neat. What a weird, neat tree.
Tree's birthing Eva.
Oh, God. I don't know if I can do this. Oh, God. This is not as much fun as I thought, especially since it's covered in ants. Yeah. Oh, God. That was a poor choice.
Functional fitness.
Bad idea. Ow. Bad move, Eva. Bad move. One of the oldest in Indonesia, or just on Bali?
In Bali is what the.
One of the oldest in Bali. We're always making new friends.
Hey.
We're heading into our first storm. It smells wonderful. 1.9 kilometers from Ubud. Yeah, these guys have bags over their heads to keep the rain off them. And I, knowing my luck, it'd fall onto my head and I die going
Well,
up a hill.
especially riding a scooter.
140 meters, go left.
Can't see anything from that mirror.
wet?
Yeah. That was
We're about halfway up to our next place where we're staying. So we pulled over for food. Ah, fun. This is our menu.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng. Okay, that's the fried rice looking stuff with an egg. I'll do the nasi goreng and
Teh panas.
Teh panas.
Panas.
Please.
One.
Two.
Two.
3.
10 out of 10. It's got
It
warmth.
does have 5s.
Yeah. Egg. It's got some heat, but not too much. So, happy camper. Yeah?
It's not eating
First
it.
of all, it's hot. Second of all, it's good. Yum. Yum.
Oh, it's like sweet tea, only good.
They do cheese and ice cream.
This is perfect because it's raining outside. It's kind of chilly. Didn't think I would say that.
It's not chilly.
A little chilly.
It's not chilly.
Ooh.
It's gonna change into pants.
Did you guys see the rat just running around?
Nope.
Right over here.
Nope.
Cool. We feed him.
I'm not gonna get upset. Point. It's like hair in your food. What are you gonna do? Like not eat it? First thought that crossed my mind was like, oh boy, here we go. It was great. Rats and all.
It's actually aesthetics. It's not really like this. Back there is like full lavish. Bathrooms are immaculate. This is a set.
This is the garage.
Not even.
The
No, this is
overspill.
on purpose. That's what I mean. This is aesthetics.
The kitchen is.
Yeah, everything else is high end. This is aesthetics. Roy approved.
Roy said it was $2
Well,
for everything. 3 teas.
No. Okay, so I guess it was $1 a piece.
Oh,
Because it was.
still $1 a piece.
Yeah, it was.
That's
like
wild.
$3.
So $3 a piece. Or no, $3 total. Good Lord, Eva. For fried rice, tea,
And free onion fritters.
yeah, it's great. This would be the day to go to the hot springs.
Says it's 79 now.
Really? Wow. Well, I guess that's a lot colder than the 90 it's been. Oh, look at you. Wow, you've got a lot of chicks, girl.
Vehicles up ahead too. More
Holy
construction.
smokes.
What are you looking at?
She's
Chicks.
got like 24 chicks.
Oh.
Have a nice bed. Boy, it does smell funky in here though. Yeah, this place is cute. Like little villas.
It's got a bathtub.
Perfect. Oh, that's the shower. Okay, all right. This is pretty cool. And we have massages set up for tonight. Oh, I'm excited.
Very bright.
Very bright. Oh, it's got the flashy lights. I'm ready to go to the beach. Ooh, snake fruit.
So dank.
Mm-hmm. Thick, smoky air. Yes. Ocean. There are tiny little bugs in the water. And it's a gross feeling and itchy. Ugh. Oh, mine doesn't have a sleeping bag. Or
Right.
life vest. Well, chin chin. And it's like tea, isn't it?
Experimentation tea with mushroom.
Okay.
Try it.
This is really good.
I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Yeah. Mmm. It's like peachy.
I didn't try it yet. I wanted to get a picture of what we tried.
It's wild.
Something so we can remember.
Why do you have such a
Hold
bad
on. Try a second sip because the first one I did the same thing.
You have such bad
I wish
taste.
I would have got that. Why?
I'm over here. I like
is-
IPAs and stuff.
But
and
that
she's
is
like,
amazing because how many times we're like, why would you do this?
It's better on the second sip.
no.
No!
I'll do a large.
Oh no, that's not bad.
It's nice.
It's what a kombucha is, but if you've never had kombucha. Oh no, you had the one from yesterday. It is much more tart.
Yes.
Really good.
I
What is it now?
Yes, I love trying weird things in jugs.
What is it?
How do you get it out of there? Do you just like stick it? Yes, please. This is the cello.
Oh, a cello.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a thing. This is liquor.
That's what I'm saying, it's a liqueur. That's what they were
Do
saying,
it.
it's different flavor. Different liqueurs. Oh no. Here, that's for him.
Oh God, you
Diesel.
could drive a car on that.
That's like cool one. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I was gonna say, Eva. Somewhere it said the Balinese spirit. Oh, all of these.
Thank you for letting me try that. I'll never try it again.
It's a cool one. It's your,
Wow,
it's your cider.
I'm so sweaty right now.
It's your one.
It's rolling. It's rolling. I feel panicky. We have an adventure of where are we going to get our massages? Because there's not enough room for 2 tables.
Or maybe they come to our room and get us.
Oh, maybe. That would be nice. Oh, beats me. But it's an hour and a half massage for like $14.50 for each person. So I'm really excited. I hope it's good. But you're not going to stick around, or I'm not going to have you hang out with us while we do this. So good night, and we will see you in the morning.